So, you applied. You had the skills, the experience. Heck, you even spell checked your name. But then, nothing. No email, no call, just you refreshing your inbox like it's a stock market ticker. Beautiful. Let me tell you why this happens. Your resume probably got obliterated by a robot. It's called an ATS, Applicant Tracking System. Think of it like a picky bouncer at the club. If your resume doesn't say the secret password, bam, it's out. The ATS doesn't care about your passion or that time you led the office Secret Santa. It's looking for keywords like React, Kubernetes, or migrated monolith to microservices. If it doesn't see what it likes, you don't even make it to the human pile. This hurts the most when you're applying through LinkedIn or job boards. 50 applicants? ATS goes full Hunger Games. You? No. You? Meh. You? Maybe. And the worst part? You'll never know. Not even a thanks for applying. Just digital ghosting. So what now? You let ChatGPT become your resume bodyguard. Not just a chat toy, a legit ATS whisperer. Here's how. Step 1, copy the job description. Step 2, paste it into ChatGPT. Step 3, say this. Rewrite my resume bullet points to match this job. Use strong action verbs. Add keywords. Make me sound like I belong in Silicon Valley, but don't lie. Boom, you just leveled up. Example, your original says, fixed front-end bugs. ChatGPT says, resolved 30 plus critical UI issues in React, improving user experience by 18%. Okay, Shakespeare, go off. Want more ChatGPT magic? Try these. Scan my resume for missing ATS keywords. Make this sound like a senior developer. Reformat this for ATS. No tables, no weird fonts. Use these prompts like a cheat code. No shame in it. Let's be real, ChatGPT won't get you the job, but it will get your resume past the robo-filter. And that's half the battle. The other half? Not writing team player in size 10 Times New Roman. Use this every time you apply. Yes, every time. It takes 5 minutes. Or you can keep sending your generic resume to 87 companies and getting ghosted like a bad Tinder date. Your choice. So, if your resume keeps disappearing into the void, don't guess. Prompt. Prompts are in the description. Smash that like button before the algorithm forgets we exist. And subscribe, or I'll ask ChatGPT to write your resume in papyrus.